Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by signing into Quizlet and opening your account menu. This is where site preferences live. Once logged in, click or tap your profile icon in the top right on web or bottom navigation in the app so you can reach settings quickly. Make sure you're in the same account that houses your study sets, because language affects how terms and interface elements display. This first step gives you control over both interface language and study language defaults, which is why we begin here. Now go to Language or App Language inside Settings and choose the interface language you prefer. This changes menus, buttons, and help text immediately. Once done, look for a separate study language option to set the default language for terms and definitions. This ensures auto-detection and flashcard suggestions match your needs. Make sure to save or confirm changes. On mobile, some settings apply instantly, while web may require a page refresh to update visible elements. Finally, open a representative study set and confirm the term and definition languages are correct. If not, edit that set's language pair so Quizlet displays translations and auto-generated cards properly. Once changed, review a few cards to ensure audio and pronunciations match the new language. If you don't see updates, clear your browser cache or app data, then sign out and back in. This refresh solves most syncing problems and is the key troubleshooting step if changes aren't appearing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.